Happy New Year, guys! The year 2022 was full of surprises and adventures. Looking back today and how many things happened last year has brought so many challenges for all of us, but has also been full of lessons. I am so thankful for watching and continue supporting my channel. May the new year bring you peace, love, joy, and happiness. Happy travels!
Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. Silver Lake Trail is less than 1 mile long and is easily accessible in Big Cottonwood Canyon. It is a family-friendly hike for kids, adults, and everyone in between. Silver Lake Trail is the easiest hike at the Brighton area. This is a wonderful place during summer to bring your loved ones. We visited this lake both in the summer and in the winter. It was beautiful both times. But the time we enjoyed the most was summertime with a nice walk around the lake. There are lots of places to stop and just enjoy the nature. It was very peaceful and relaxing. No matter what time of year you visit, you will be rewarded with beautiful views and the surrounding mountains. Gloria Falls is an absolutely stunning waterfall. It has a dramatic cascade of the White Pine Fork Stream, and it descends to Little Cottonwood Creek. The best part of it, you can stand right on the bottom of the falls and feel the cooler temperature of the mist. The trail is very popular and the falls were definitely worth it. Have you been to Gloria Falls? What was your favorite thing about it? Leave your comments below. I love hearing from you. And stay tuned for more outdoor adventures. Happy trail! Makapu'u Beach is a Hawaiian gem that sits below the Makapu'u Point, located near the southeast point of Oahu. This is one of my favorite beaches we visited. We did not go swimming here, but we surely enjoyed the 2-mile stretch of beach for tanning, playing in the sand, and taking in the panoramic views. It was a beautiful location to watch the waves and see people surfing on the right side of the beach. Makapu'u Beach is a fantastic way to start your journey up the windward coast of Oahu. It offers dramatic and powerful scenery. You will enjoy this piece of paradise. Utah has so many unique landscapes and features, and the Great Salt Lake is certainly one of them. Buffalo Point Trail is one of the amazing hikes you can do at Antelope Island State Park. This trail is 1 mile round trip and is short and easy enough for most families. This is one of the shortest but uphill climb hike on Antelope Island and offers a 360-degree panoramic view of the Great Salt Lake. Buffalo Point Trail was the gem of Antelope Island for me. It is incredibly scenic with beautiful shoreline and beaches, mountain areas, and interesting geology. Laie Point is an amazing lookout point on the north shore of Oahu, Hawaii. Laie Point is one of the most beautiful places we visited in Oahu. It is one of those unexpected gems of Hawaii. This place is great for sightseeing. I also read that you can fish, and if you are extremely adventurous, you can do cliff jumping on the right side of the point, but need to be a strong swimmer and climb to get back up. Strawberry Park Natural Hot Spring is nestled in a high mountain valley just 7 miles north of downtown Steamboat Springs, one of the most spectacular mineral springs in the world. This beautiful resort features 5 cascading stone masonry hot spring pools covered in sand and filled with hot mineral-rich water. They also offer unique stones-lined soaking pools, rustic cabins and tent sites, massage, and Watsu therapy. There are multiple pools to choose from varying sizes and temperatures. Strawberry Park Hot Springs is ultimate relaxation destination. It is perfect destination for those who are looking to unwind and be close to nature.
Here is my travel diary in Palawan.
Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!